Well, hello there, friends. Let's talk about Bbig. That was my professional voice. Did you like it? Anyway, guys, let's talk about Bbig Venco Ventures here. We got the cryptoid situation coming up. There's a lot of things going on here. Let's go first to a chart and kind of recap and get on the same page here what we've seen here this week, which obviously with Bbig has been a pretty good week. But let's talk about that. Okay, so first things first. This week, obviously, we broke over a $5 mold here. And we sustained it here for a few hours. As you can see here, we were doing pretty good. Now, here's the situation. I told people, I was like, I'm expecting a sell-off here. And, well, hopefully this is the sell-off. And, obviously, the market has been doing, guess what? Even worse. When we think it can't get worse, it says, you know what? I can get worse. And that's what we're seeing. Right now, the market is just taking everything down with it. So, that's great. Thanks, market. But here's where I will say what I said on the thumbnail. Do not be fooled. Do not be fooled by Venco Ventures here in seeing this sell-off. We've been here a lot. I know there's people that are going to say, this stock is junk, you need to get out of it. And that was the one big surprise. I'm not so sure about that. One reason that I'm not so sure about that is because obviously I'm very bullish on the future of the company, but also this crypto situation has not happened yet. It has not been finalized to where it's actually happened. So when that happens, it's going to be a pretty big deal. So talking about this Venco Ventures cryptoid situation, we are waiting literally just day by day, week by week for more information when this is going to actually happen here. Now, if you bought Venco Ventures, way back, we were talking about this a few months ago, buying it at a certain time period, you would be in line right now to grab the dividends that are about to come with this and the shares that are about to come with this. And we know that there should be somewhere around 19 million shares of cryptoid of the common stock after the spin-off situation, followed with a dividend. So this is really, really good here. And this is what, every time we see the cryptoid situation be talked about, come out, man, it really gets the stock going. It really gets it hyped up because this is really big situation that we're seeing right now with this stock. And, when you look into what the cryptoid situation is, Venco Ventures, Lemotive, we've got all this wrapped into one here. It's a very big deal. So friends, I've talked about everything under the sun here with Venco Ventures and, everything we've seen here. So I'm not going to rehash a lot of stuff, but what we've seen here this week, it tells me that Venco Ventures is still alive here. This is not a dead stock. This is not a stock that's going to be going to a penny range here. Well, obviously, anything's possible, but something very drastically bad would have to happen for this to really go down into a penny mark. Obviously, let's not get rumors started here. I think once we start seeing some news come around here about, cryptoid, Venco Ventures, what's going on here with the situation in the future, bigger, better talks that are coming out here, obviously we're going to have another rally here. We're going to have a $5, we're going to have an $8, and honestly, when this cryptoid situation does happen, I would not be surprised to see this go right back up into a $10 situation. I really wouldn't. And when we get to that point, we'll talk about sustainability and see where the stock's at and if it's going to support what the new level is going to be, and will it support a $5, $10 level at that point. Obviously, still a lot of information to come out with that. And always there is potential for a nice squeeze to happen here with Venco Ventures. But friends, looking at this week, I'm very, very excited with what's coming. I'm very bullish. We've had great volume this week. We've had great buy-in. We've had nice sell-off. And going into next week, we could definitely see another small little rally going back into a $4 to $5 range. We're just sitting at, we ended at a $3 mark here this week, $3.19, playing around that bid price. So honestly, this is still pretty good. I think we're doing great here. And like I've said here a lot about Venco Ventures, it is not shy whatsoever to have a 20 to a 30 to a 40% walk up in 1 day to 2 days. It's not shy to do that at all. Even fall, a 25 to 30% fall as well. So this is definitely going to be one that you're going to pull your hair out about, but I'm very excited to what's coming with this, friends. So like I said, we've covered a lot this week. I'm not going to beat a dead horse here, sound like a broken record. I'm just going to simply say, friends, be positive, be you, Take time to invest in your future. Friends, thank you so much for a great week. I've enjoyed talking to everyone this week, and we will get right back into the stock market coming this week, and I'm wishing everyone the best of luck. Friends, talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.